Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RaHaz tutorial. Already I have explained the chapter A Natural Balance of the book Bumblebee 5. Today I will discuss the question answer. Let's start. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? Answer. The process by which green plants makes their own food in the presence of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water is known as photosynthesis. It takes place in leaves. Write it down everyone. Next question. What are parasitic plants? What are parasitic plants? Plants that obtain nutrition by growing on other plants are called parasitic plants. Example: Rafflesia cruscota. Next question, number 3. What is a food chain and a food web? What is a food chain and a food web? Answer. A series of links showing how nutrients and energy pass from one organism to another is called a food chain. A series of links showing how nutrients and energy pass from one organism to another is called a food chain. A network of interconnected food chains form a food web. A network of interconnected food chains form a food web. Number 4. What do you understand by balance in nature? What do you understand by balance in nature? Answer. Food chains and food web maintain a natural balance in the population. Food chains and food web maintain a natural balance in the population of living things on the earth. Animals, plants, birds and marine species are as important. Animals, plants, birds and marine species are as important as human beings. If the population of the organisms increases or decreases, the whole food chain gets disturbed. If the population of the organism increases or decreases, the whole food chain gets disturbed. Note it down. Okay, I want to tell you one thing. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Next question. What are the causes of extinction of plants and animals? What are the causes of extinction of plants and animals? Animals and plants become extinct when their number decreases rapidly. Animals and plants become extinct when their number decreases rapidly. This can happen because of an increase in number of predators, climate change, or more or less of natural habitat. Explain the energy flow in food chain with the help of Flowchart. Sun, producers, I know producers are plants. Primary consumers, herbivorous, who eats plants. Secondary consumers, carnivorous, decomposers. Explain the energy flow in food chain with the help of flowchart. Sun, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, decomposers. Name them. A pigment present in all green leaves called chlorophyll. A pigment present in all green leaves, chlorophyll. Tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. Tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. The founder of food chain, Charles Elton. The founder of food chain, Charles Elton. Plants that grow on another plant or an object for physical support. Epiphytes. Give one example of aquatic food chain. Algae, snail, fish, crane. Algae, snail, fish, crane. I hope this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to share with your friends.